Imagine this. A potential client searches online for a solution your business provides. Your competitor's website appears first, while yours is buried on page 2 of Google. Frustrating, right? Well, that's where on-page SEO comes in, ensuring that your B2B website stands out and gets noticed by the right audience. In this video, we are going to uncover the secrets to mastering on-page SEO for B2B websites. We will talk about optimizing meta titles, descriptions, and headers, crafting content tailored for decision makers and influencers, and internal linking strategies to guide your users effectively. Stick around till the end because the final few tips are absolute game changers. Let's dive in. Now, on page SEO refers to optimizing the elements on your website like content, metadata, and structure to rank higher on search engines. Now, for B2B businesses, it's not just about visibility, it's about reaching the right audience, decision makers, influencers, and industry leaders who have the power to convert into paying clients. Now, unlike B2C, B2B SEO needs to focus on um, long tail, intent driven keywords and tailored content. Why? Because B2B buyers have long sales cycles and requires detailed data driven information to make decisions. Your website is their first impression and SEO ensures they find it. Now think of meta titles, descriptions, and H1 tags as the first handshake between your website and the user. They need to be clear, compelling, and optimized with B2B specific terms. Now let's try to understand these terms. First is meta titles. What it is? Well, it's the clickable blue link you see on Google search results. What are the best practices for meta titles? Well, first, keep it between 50 to 60 characters. Second, include your primary keyword naturally. For example, CRM software for small businesses or improves sales efficiency. So that was an example. Now, what is meta descriptions? So what is meta description? It's a short summary below the title in search results. What are the best practices for this? Well, first aim for 150 to 160 characters, then highlight the value proposition. For example, save 40% on operational cost. Then add a call to action CTA. For instance, try our free demo today. Then comes H1 tags. So what is H1 tags? Well, this is the main headline on a web page. So what are the best practices for H1 tags? First practice is use the primary keyword in the H1 tag. Second, keep it concise and user focused. For example, the ultimate guide to choosing CRM software for your business is a good example of meta tag. So here's a pro tip. Avoid keyword stuffing. Search engines and users prioritize readability and relevance. Now in B2B, one size does not fit all. Your audience is split into two main groups. First is decision makers and second is influencers. So tailoring your content to address their unique needs is key to capturing and holding their attention. So first let's look at decision makers. So they are the CEOs, managers and executives who approve the purchase. Now they care about ROI, scalability and long-term benefits. What do they want? Well, case studies showing measurable success. This is what they want. Then data driven insights, charts, ROI, calculations. That's what they want. And then thought leadership content that demonstrates authority. Let's look at an example headline. How are our CRM saved businesses over $5 million annually? This is a good example. Now let's look at influencers. Now these are the team members who research and recommend solutions. Think IT managers, marketing heads, or project leaders. Now they care about ease of use, integrations, and immediate impact. What do they want? Well, they want product demos or explainer videos. They want side by side comparisons with competitors. They want how to guides for implementation. Let's look at an example headline. Say 5 features your marketing team needs in a CRM. This is a good example of. So here's a pro tip for you. Use storytelling to connect emotionally while backing it up with data for credibility. For example, share a real life client's journey to success. Now, internal linking connects one page of your website to another. It is like building a roadmap for your users to explore your site effortlessly. Done right, it improves user experience, increases time spent on your site, and boosts SEO. What are the benefits of internal linking? Well, first, it improves navigation. It helps users find relevant content easily. Second, it distributes link equity. It boosts the authority of other pages. Then it encourages action. So it guides users towards conversion focused pages. For example, contact us or request a demo. Then how do you do it right? First is anchor text optimization. So use descriptive and keyword rich anchor text. For example, instead of click here, use learn more about CRM pricing plans. Then second strategy is link to higher value pages. So prioritize linking to pages like case studies, services, or white papers. For example, a blog on subject 5 challenges in B2B marketing can link to your solutions pages. Then third strategy is maintain relevance. So ensure the linked page adds value and is contextually relevant. For example, do not link to a pricing page from a blog about industry trends. It feels forced. Then fourth strategy is limit links per page. Do not overwhelm users with too many links. Keep it natural and user friendly. So here's a pro tip for you. Use tools like Screaming Frog or RFs to audit internal links and identify opportunities for improvement. Now, see, B2B buyers move through 3 key stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. So, your on page strategy should align with each of these stages. So, for instance, first stage is awareness stage. So, focus on educating potential clients. Use blog post, infographics, or industry reports. So, the keywords that you should use at this stage are what is the solution, benefit of product, these kind of keywords. So, here's a content example for this stage. What is CRM software? Everything you need to know in 2023. Then comes consideration stage. Now in this stage highlight comparisons, features and benefits to show why your solution stands out. So the keywords should be more about first product versus competitor, best CRM for small business, these kind of keywords. So here's a content example for you for this stage. CRM software showdown, how we compare to competitors, right? And then comes decision stage. In this stage, convince them to take the final step. Use CTAs, testimonials, and demos. Keywords should be more like free CRM demo or schedule a consultation, right? And then here's a content example. Ready to save time? Book your free demo today. So here's a pro tip for you. Map out your content strategy based on the buyer's journey and include relevant call to action at each stage. See, the right tools can make or break your SEO efforts. So here are some must-haves. First is RFs and SEMrush. This is useful for keyword research, backlink analysis, and tracking ranking. Then second tool is Google Keyword Planner. Now this is ideal for identifying search volume and intent-driven keywords. Third is Yoast SEO, which is a WordPress plugin. This ensures your metadata and content are optimized. Then you have Hotjar. Now this helps you understand user behavior with heat maps and session recording. So here's a pro tip for you. Regularly update your content based on new keyword trends and analytics insight. See, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Now let's address the pitfalls which can sabotage your SEO efforts. First is keyword stuffing. So focus on natural language, not overloading keywords. Second is ignoring mobile optimization. So see, most searches happen on mobile. So ensure your site is mobile friendly. Then skipping meta description. So without a meta description, search engines might auto generate one that does not represent your content well. Then we have broken links. So regularly audit and fix any broken internal or external links. So here's a pro tip for you. Perform monthly SEO audits to catch issues before they hurt your rankings. So on-page SEO is your ticket to visibility in the competitive B2B landscape. So by optimizing your metadata, crafting tailored content, and guiding users through internal linking, you can create a seamless experience that resonates with decision makers and influencers alike. Then start by implementing these strategies one step at a time. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires regular updates and attention to detail. And here's the exciting part. In our next video, we will dive deep into creating high value content for SEO. Now, trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there.